Good morning, first grade. I hope you had a great weekend and had some fun and got to relax a little bit and enjoy the weather. So I look forward to hearing a little bit about your weekends on our live class today. But today is Monday, September 28th, 2020. It is day two, so your special will be library at 11:45, and it is the 19th day of school. I cannot believe it. We are almost to 20 days of school. So I've updated our Rec and Rec. We have 10:09. 10:09 is showing there. And then tomorrow we will have, do you remember? 2:10. And then the next day will be 2:10:1. So we'll keep working on that. Um, I updated our coins, so we now show 19 cents. Tomorrow we will be able to make a trade when it becomes 20 cents. So think about if you know how we could trade some coins in for tomorrow when we get to 20 cents. All right, before we get going on our schedule for today, feel free to join me for the Pledge of Allegiance. And I pledge allegiance to the flag of the United States of America and to the republic for which it stands, one nation, under God, indivisible, with liberty and justice for all. All right, very good. So, like I said, today is Monday. It's day two. This morning, first thing coming out will be your lesson 13 application problem. There will also be um, a reading lesson that reads our new story in Wit and Wisdom, our Waiting for the Biblio Burrow story, and a little assignment along with that. So you'll see that at 9. And then also this morning, you will get an activity for our first fluency passage. And there's a short video that goes along with that activity that explains everything for how our fluency routine will work and how we'll do that. So that is a new routine for us. So just if you have any questions about that, let me know. Then we'll have our 10 a.m. class where we will do our word building. And these are the letters that we'll need for today's word building lesson. So if you were able to grab those before our class, that would be great. And I will also put them in the typed schedule, but it is E, G, L, M, N, P, T, V. So those are the letters that you will need. So we'll do our word building and phonemic awareness during our 10 a.m. class. You can send that after our class, your dictation and your decodable. Then we'll meet again at 1 for math, and we'll do our next math lesson, lesson 13. And then after that class, you'll send your problem set like normal, and that should wrap up our Monday. So let me know if you have any questions or if you need anything, and I look forward to seeing everybody soon. All right, thanks so much.